Your basil plant looked fine yesterday, but today, it's drooping like it's given up on life. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're about to learn why this keeps happening, and the exact 2-minute fix that brings basil back from the brink. And stick around, because I'll also cover the 5 biggest reasons basil wilts, so you never have to deal with this again. The fastest fix is simple. Check the soil. If it feels soggy, your basil is drowning. If it's bone dry, it's thirsty. Basil likes consistently moist but never soggy soil. Here's what to do. If overwatered, tilt the pot, let excess water drain, and keep it out of direct sun for a few hours. If underwatered, water evenly until it drains from the bottom, then let it soak. Within hours, you'll notice the leaves perking up. But to keep basil thriving, let's go deeper. The 5 main causes of basil wilting. Number 1. Overwatering. Overwatering is the number 1 killer. Basil roots suffocate without air. Remember this rule: water when the top inch of soil feels dry, no sooner. Number 2. Underwatering. Too little water is just as bad. Basil is a thirsty herb. If leaves look limp but bounce back after watering, you've found the culprit. Number 3. Poor drainage. Even if you water correctly, bad drainage traps moisture. Always use pots with holes and well-draining soil mix. Otherwise, your basil roots are sitting in a swamp. Number 4. Lack of sunlight. Basil loves light. At least 6 hours of sun daily. If indoors, put it by a south-facing window or under a grow light. Without enough light, it droops no matter how perfect your watering is. Number 5. Temperature stress. Basil hates the cold. Below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, it wilts fast. Keep it away from drafts, AC vents, or chilly windows. Think of basil as a tropical guest. It only thrives in warmth. Prevention tips. To prevent wilting altogether. Water consistently, but not too much. Use breathable pots with drainage holes. Keep basil in bright, warm spots. Pinch off flowers early so energy stays in the leaves. Follow these, and your basil won't just survive, it'll explode with flavor. So the next time your basil starts to droop, don't panic. With these simple steps, you can bring it back in minutes and keep it strong for the long run. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest herb care struggle? Drop it in the comments, and I might feature your question in my next video. And if this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so your herbs stay happy all season long.